Hello and welcome to this video presentation on the topic Microsoft Power BI. So this video is in two parts. So the first part of the video, myself, Dr. Kondekar from Walchand Institute of Technology, Solapur. So let us try to understand this tool called as Microsoft Power BI. So it's a product from Microsoft related to the powerful business intelligence analysis. So till now we talked about the data analysis, how this can be done. But now if I want to get some business out of this analysis, so that tool which is giving me this business insights is called as BI, business intelligence tool. So this product is from Microsoft, which gives you some business intelligence, means insights of the data from where you can get some insights like how I can improve the profit if you are having some data of some industry. So here in business intelligence, what you expect is the different processes, different architectures and different technologies are used, where these technologies are aimed for getting some meaningful insights or meaningful information, and that information should result into the profit for the business. So these business intelligence tools are basically the combination of two things, that analytics, that data analytics, what we learned, data mining, data visualization techniques we talked about. So all those things, and then how these things can be used for the best practices, and these best practices will help the organizations and different industries to take certain decisions based on the insights which are being given. So if you are manufacturing some products, so how many products I should manufacture within a month? Okay, so it should not be very less, so that the demand, as per the demand, I should have the production of these items. So these business and intelligence tools will give you that kind of insights from the earlier past data set given to it. So basically this Microsoft Power BI is a visualization tool, but the most important characteristics of this visualization tool is it's a interactive visualization. So interactive visualization in the sense, if you just click, if you have multiple graphs plotted over there, if you click on one graph for one attribute, that attribute values in different graphs are also getting highlighted, indicating that what is the effect of that attributes in terms of different visualizations which are available on some dashboard. So this product is been developed by the Microsoft, and the focus of this particular product is how I can have some profit generated by having some business data as an input given to it. So this tool is used for analysis and visualization, where data is the input given to the tool, and then this tool will result into a dashboard where different visualizations are giving the insights about the data given to it. So this is a Microsoft Power BI is basically collection of different modules, different components. So it has different features which we'll be exploring now, are like Power Query. You can have Power Pivot facility, Power View, Power BI Desktop, Gateway, then mobile applications are developed, and then different services are also, this cloud-based services are also offered by this Power BI. So this is the brief information about what these different modules are. So it comes with the module called as Power Query, where this Power Query is the data transformation and data preparation engine. So basically it's an exploratory data analysis tool, ETL tool, and then extract, transfer, load. This Power Query is an ETL tool which does this extract, transfer and load for the data. So it helps you for cleaning the data, pre-processing. It gives you the facility of summarizing the data, and many times you want to have the filtering, means certain attributes or attributes within the range you want to have, so that filtering is also possible. So with this Power Query feature, like that, there is a feature called as Power Pivot. So this Power BI comes with this facility called as Power Pivot, where this pivot represents a modeling technology. So what can be done with this is, this will let you to create the different data models, and you can establish the relationship between those models and then create the calculations, or you can make the calculations by having those mentioned relationships. So when you have large data sets available in the form of some complex data values in the form of different sheets, data are present in different sheets. So what you can do is, you can establish the relationship between the attributes present in those different sheets, and then you can come up with these relationships and calculations in that regard. So another feature is Microsoft Power View. It is related to the visualization technology, where you can create some interactive charts and graphs. You can have some maps drawn for the data, and different kinds of univariate, bivariate and multivariate visualizations can be done by using this Microsoft Power View. So this similar kind of facility is available in another tool developed by Microsoft called as Excel also. But the most important feature of this Power BI is the whatever visualizations you are having, so those visualizations are interactive visualizations. So when you want to use this application on some isolated different workstation system, so Power BI desktop is the solution available for this. So you can have the installation of this module called as Power BI desktop, and you can work for the different data dashboards, visualizations and reports. Another feature available with this Power BI is Power BI Gateway. So just this Power BI Gateway can be used on the premises to keep your data fresh and connected, and then no need to move the data where data is getting generated at some remote place, let us say. So you can have a connectivity of that data with your module, and then through the gateway, and then you can put some query based on the data. You can get some useful insights and interesting insights of that data also. So that is possible with this Power BI Gateway facility. Like that, there are different apps developed for this business intelligence analysis. Like there are some Android apps developed, Power BI mobile apps, Windows applications are developed, and then these are available for all these three different platforms like Windows, iOS as well as Android. So along with these apps, this Power BI provides you different services based on your requirement. If you want to have some cloud storage or cloud processing of your data, and then this Power BI provides you some services like that can be, your data can be hosted on the Azure cloud, and what you can do with that stored data is, from that data you can create some dashboards and reports, and then those reports you can share with different peoples also, and then that sharing also is manageable, means it's a control sharing. So these are the features we talked about. So these are the various references used for this video presentation. Thank you.